Okay, screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, you will start your profile from here, and whenever it's required, you have to change your country. Please hover here, click on setting, click on country, and choose your country. Okay. For example, I am choosing Australia. It take a 1 or 2 minute, maybe less, and it's done. And came back here and just check your country is Australia and hover here. There is a green dot you can see, and when you hover it, you will see a recycling button. Click it. What it will do, it flush out your old IP and replace it with the new. Now you will just run it. When you click run, it will pop up a different browser window other than your normal browser window. It a cloud browser window. Click view, and you can see this page sometime because whatever IP we have here, it is already used by someone else, or it is a IP that generated in between our process. So because of this, we will see this kind of page. The survey is already ended or called survey end page without starting the survey. So we will copy our IP, click here, click here, click here, and you must clear your history every time you will do any survey. You have to clear your history. Okay, from now you have to do one thing: restart your browser window, virtual browser window from cloud. Make sure your IP is different every time. Clear your browser history. Now you can continue, and you will have few of you have this sheet and few of you don't. And came here in the sheet and check, is your IP already done by someone else or taken by someone else? So here you can see this IP is already taken by someone else. We have a one instance. So we will not use this IP. We will do the process again. We will close this. We come here, stop our browser, click on the country, click on this plus button next to the country, click here, select our country, connect. Our IP has been changed. We will check once more. So this it's a unique IP. No one have ever taken it. So we will add it in our worksheet.
Harshad, your mic is off.
Yeah, and we will write our name here along with a three-digit alphanumeric plus numeric, sorry, 3-digit alpha and 4-digit numeric. Total 7-digit minimum alphanumeric. You can extend any number of digits and start whatever number you want to take with the series like 1900, 1900, 19002. Because when we do a survey, we will increment last value. So if I'm doing currently, I will use this number. If I doing again, I will use 1901. Sorry. Then again, like this. We will not write down this number. Okay. It's just for our general information. So how will we do this survey? First, we will paste our IP here since no one have taken it. Came here, ran our service. Now we will take the platform link, this link, copy, come to this window, virtual window, paste here, add your number 1900 because we are doing this first time. It is why we are using 1900. If we are doing more surveys, we will increment it like this 19001, 19002, 19003. One survey, whether it's success, terminated, or it's a quota full, we will increment in any case. So for now, this and any random digits of English character, and we will click it, enter, and this page will open. Okay, now the next part, how to do the survey. It's the from now it's a process of survey. How we'll do the survey? Now we'll see it. Okay, there is a reportal link. We will open this. You can open it any window. Doesn't matter. Click on the quotas at the top. Here you can find what is the current limit, what is number of total have done, and how many needed or left for survey. 7,448 is remaining to complete. 35,000 is the limit. Total volume is 40,000. 5,000 will be pushed when this much data is completed. Yesterday it was 30,000. Client have pushed 5,000 more. Now how will we do? First and foremost, we will select our country. So we are doing for Australia. Here you can see it is 0. Eventually, if I enter in this, it will be get quota full, and I will see a URL here, and it will listed here 333 in between somewhere. So after we check it, we will check for gender. How many volume is left for man? For example, we are in Australia. There is still needed for 46. For women in Australia is needed for 235. For non-binary, and this dash implies it doesn't have any limit as of now to fill any volume of data. Then we will check for age. 18 to 24 Australia 85 needed. This much 77 needed. So if we are doing for Australia, we will just type in search bar Australia. We will go through every part of the quota where it's
In
required.
Australia part is already quota is full. Check for another country like USA or something.
Yeah, for country Australia's quota is full, I understand, because 27 are live. Here you can see, sorry, green is live, and the red one is quota overfull. That means it requires only 770, but it got 1727. So eventually this will be get in the quota full category. But I will show you how to do it. It's a consent, you have to accept it. We have selected our IP of US, but we are going with the, sorry, IP of Australia, but we are going with the USA. Let's see what happen. Technically I have to select Australia. Okay, we have to select Australia because of our IP is Australian. You can see here, but Australia country ka data is almost completed. So there is no requirement for Australia data right now in this volume of set. So I am going to take USA. Let's see what happen. I just don't get. Now we got the mail. So we will check for our quota list for mail. We will just click. We have selected the USA as country, so we will click search for USA only. Uh, Now for gender male, USA is 0. We will not select male. We will check for women. Women is needed 820 point. नॉन बाइनरी में कोई लिमिट नहीं है, अदर्स में भी लिमिट नहीं है. So we will click on female. We don't select male. If we select male, it will just terminate at the moment. We will click female, click continue. Is asking for our age. We will check for age US for 18 to 24. Yes, it's required 361 entries. 25 to 34, it requires 0 entries. So we will not take any age in between this number. 35 to 49, it's require only 2 entries. We will skip it as well because it's a very risky part. 50 to 60, it's require 458. So we will take from this volume 50 to 60. So in general, we take 53. Just any random number, but be careful with the numbers. Now it's asking for our employment. One more thing, this survey is for employment purpose. Its name is Workforce Employment Survey. So we will check employment status. Firstly, this question is important. Yes. So we will check in US for this category employed full time 35 hours a week or more. We will check for our country USA in here. I think it's not listed in USA, it's here. 125 still. Also employed part time less than 135. Yeah, USA they are 503. We will go with first one. Does anyone remember how much age I have taken? Yes, 125. So we will go with this because it have 125 and 90 needed. Now next question we will check if any quota is remaining. Yeah. Next question is for I found my current job through agency staffing. USA 192. I did not find my job with this. USA 628. Okay. So we will go with I did not find my job with any agency or staffing agency. Hmm. Which sector do you work? The most important question of this, whatever sector you select, please make sure you answer according to it. For example, if you are in banking, not banking, let's say you are in healthcare or you are in restaurant services. So there will be a next question about asking about your uses of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, LLM, multi-language models, etc. So if you taken a job role for example, consumer goods company, yeah, in this industry or for a restaurant type of businesses, then you will very carefully select answering these AI responses like this. Which of the following have the most influence of work life and which have almost influenced your employer? And how happy are you? Not this. Yes, this question. How regularly do you use the following to at work? Let's suppose you have taken a route for a hospital or bakery or any kind of this job. So you will don't fill one, two, three, and four. You will either select don't know or I am not familiar with this tool. You don't select number five in any conditions. Okay. And again, this question. Please select up to three regions. You will go through this very carefully. So we will select what we select logistic manufacturing insurance. Let's say we will select financial services. Our next question is which of the following best describe your job function? What we'll do first, we will check what portion of it have quota remains. This is the sector. We have taken the financial one. Why I blindly taken the financial one? Because I know it have some data left in USA. Oh shit, it doesn't have. So now it will get terminated in the end. Okay, okay. Here is the function, and we will select. We have taken the age of our age is 53, so we will select our job profile according to it. Okay, so we can select CEO, yeah, administration. We don't take assembly, production, catering, education. Why? Because we have choose our industry as a financial institutes. For this you can just google it कि यूएस के अंदर by financial institution में कौन कौन सी कंपनी आती है. Generally Ernst and Young and Barclay and like these companies are dominated in the US for. So we will select either administration, IT, legal, ऑपरेशंस, प्रोक्योरमेंट, वेंडर मैनेजमेंट नहीं लेंगे बिल्कुल भी, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट ले सकते हैं, क्यूसी नहीं लेंगे, आर&डी नहीं लेंगे, रिस्क एंड कंप्लायंस ले सकते हैं, सेल्स ले सकते हैं, सिक्योरिटी ले सकते हैं, सप्लाई चेन नहीं लेंगे, इंजीनियरिंग ले सकते हैं, कस्टमर सर्विस नहीं लेंगे, कंसल्टेंसी ले सकते हैं. So I will going with the administration route. It's only have a two needed. And now it's asking our position. So we have taken our age is 53. That means we are fit for managerial roles. For example, if you have taken the age is 18 to 24 category or 25 to 35 category, you cannot select CEO, president, general manager because you will get terminated. Why? A 18-year-old cannot be a CEO in normal circumstances. Okay, so we have taken our age is 53. So we will go with upper level management or mid level management. You can also go with these numbers, but be careful, be in this limits. First, we will check does it have. We don't get this question because we don't select any stream with IT or engineering like design and mechanical engineering, system engineering, product testing and simulation, compliance, technical publication support, supply chain and logistics. If we select these, then we will go with this question only. So this question is skipped. For we what we have selected upper level management, and we will check it doesn't have any. So we don't have any upper level management roles. We only remain senior executive roles. If I select this now, we have already selected two times for zero need of data. It will be about three times. If we continue, it get terminated immediately. So we will don't take this risk. We will go with the this route. USA, it's have one trainer. Okay. Do you manage a team or have people manage responsibility? People management responsibility. So you have selected a CEO in last question. So you will select I manage people who manage other peoples. I manage large team. आप ये select नहीं कर सकते. I don't line manage anyone. Don't know. Prefer not to say. It will be disqualified. So I manage people who manage other people because you are a CEO or C-suite executive. We will check it. It have any survey remains or not. रोल रोल हमें नहीं आया क्योंकि हमने ब्लू कलर वाइट कलर टाइप का किया नहीं. क्वेश्चन अगर आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं मिल रहा है तो सीधे यहाँ से आप कॉपी करो और इसमें आके पेस्ट कर दो. चलो देखते हैं. Which of the following best describe your current role? Manual labor, we can't select this. administrative or office board, clerical administrative assistant. We will select professional office based role. First, we will check quota for this. Uh, we don't getting this questions here because we will have this document for this, and these are independent question other than the quota. Okay, which is the highest level of academic education you have attended. So if you are a CEO, you just have a vocational or senior secondary school. You must have a postgraduate degree. And if you are CEO, then you select your pay range. I think it have a quota limit if I'm not wrong. Type of region, sector, function, gender, employment status. Income low, middle, high. Okay, इसका कोटा फुल होगा and you will get a 333 here in the URL also to verify it. Okay, तो इस क्वेश्चन का
Another thing is, if your survey is successful, you will get a code for triple one.
yeah, I have blindly selected this option because I was just checking it. It should have a quota somewhere here in the document. I have missed somehow, maybe in between. Okay, so it have a quota limit because it we get this quota limit because we only can select at most two options for quota values. If we multiple doing this multiple times for first question, third question, fifth question, it will terminate. For a single survey, we can only have 2 points on which we can count for quota limits. For example, there are 20 questions. We can go with 2 for quota limits. If we select third question with quota limit, it will terminate it. Okay. So now we will do this process again. It's close it, update in the sheet.
रैप अप कर दो आशु जल्दी से, बाकी हम क्वेश्चनर इनको प्रोवाइड करा देंगे, वो वहाँ से
क्वेश्चनर के लिए आपकी ट्रेनिंग के लिए एक अलग से रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल है, वो आप ध्यान से देखना कि क्वेश्चनर कैसे करना है, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन मिक्स होके आते हैं, एक साथ नहीं आते इसमें। पहले तो ये क्वेश्चन आएंगे कि जो जर्नल क्वेश्चन है, क्लासिफिकेशन है कि नेम, एज, जेंडर, टाइप ऑफ वर्क, वर्क प्रोफाइल, देन स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन आते हैं इन बिटवीन में। जो स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है उसकी क्वेश्चनर्स की आंसर लिस्ट है वो आपको दे दी जाएगी, भी उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी है, वो एक बार आप देख लेना सही से। ये वो सेक्शन है, इसमें शायद 2 या 3 सेक्शन है इसके अंदर। हाँ, पहला वर्कफोर्स से रिलेटेड है क्वेश्चंस कि आपके एम्प्लॉयर के साथ आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है, आपकी वर्क लाइफ कैसी है। और क्वेश्चन है कि आप अपनी जॉब से हैप्पी हैं, अनहैप्पी हैं, एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी हैं। तो इसके अंदर आपको जो ये सेगमेंट है ना, योर ओवर ऑल जॉब एक्सपीरियंसेस आपको हैप्पी, एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी ही लेके चलना है पूरा का पूरा पॉजिटिव नोट पे। एक आधा आप नीदर हैप्पी नॉर हैप्पी में डाल सकते हो, बट ये भी ध्यान रखना कि अगर आपने यहाँ हैप्पी लिखा है कि जस्ट लाइक द एजेंसी एम्प्लॉयर वर्क फॉर यू आर हैप्पी विद इट, इसमें सैलरी के लिए भी होगा योर सैलरी यू आर हैप्पी आपने लिखा है। बट अगर आपने यहाँ पे नीचे आके ये सेलेक्ट कर लिया सिंगल सिलेक्शन शोज, सॉरी, डू यू फील योर सैलरी इज इन लाइन विद द सैलरी योर पीयर्स रिसीव्ड इन योर कंपनी और अक्रॉस योर इंडस्ट्री, अगर आपने यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट कर लिया नो, यानी कि थर्ड नंबर का पॉइंट, तो ये थोड़ा सा डायबॉलिकल हो जाएगा, कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर जाएगा, क्योंकि आपने ऊपर तो कहा कि आप सैलरी से अपने बहुत खुश हो, लेकिन नीचे आप कह रहे हो आके कि नहीं मेरे को अपने पीयर्स की जो सैलरी है उससे आप खुश नहीं हो। तो ये चीज़ मेंटेन आपको करके रखनी है कि थोड़ी सी कॉन्ट्रडिक्शंस ना आए। फिर ये एक क्वेश्चन है, to what extent do you agree or disagree with the following statements? I actively seek opportunity that contribute to my professional growth. Strongly agree, strongly disagree. ये भी आपको पॉजिटिव नोट भी लेके चलने हैं। एक आधा इधर उधर आप कर सकते हो, निगेटिव में ये नहीं जाना। बट ये जो क्वेश्चन है, द गिग इकोनॉमी फ्रीलांस वर्क वुड सूट डज सूट माय नीड्स बेटर देन फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट, I see less value in work I do than a year ago. My skill feels less relevant to my organization than they did a year ago. ये नेगेटिव क्वेश्चंस हैं, आपको इनको नेगेटिव ही देना है। That means you don't this question for 8, 14 and 15 the gig economy you will either select slightly disagree और strongly disagree। ये आपको नेगेटिव ही रखने हैं, ये नेगेटिव क्वेश्चंस हैं। ओके, फिर सेक्शन 2 है एआई एडवांसमेंट और एआई से क्या आपके वर्क के ऊपर असर पड़ा है, क्या उसका कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज है। अगर आपने ब्लू कलर राउट लिया हुआ है या आप इस तरीके की जॉब में जहाँ एआई वगैरह यूज नहीं होता, आपको नहीं पता, तो आप डोंट नो लेंगे या आई एम नॉट फैमिलियर विद, नेवर नहीं सेलेक्ट करेंगे। अगर आपने ऐसा राउट लिया कि आप टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट के थ्रू सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में जा रहे हैं, तब आप या तो डेली अर्ली या वीकली के बेसिस पे सेलेक्ट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन है, हाउ रेगुलरली डू यू यूज फॉलोइंग टूल्स एट वर्क? I currently use generative AI tools such as GPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, etc. अगर आपने डेवलपर प्रोफाइल और एज आपने 25 के अप्रॉक्स लिए, तब आप इसको डेली वीकली में डालेंगे। आवरली कर सकते हैं अगर अगर आपको लगता है। करंटली यूज एआई एजेंट्स ओनली यूज्ड बाय डेवलपर्स, सो उसी के लिए आप ये सेलेक्ट करेंगे, वरना डोंट नो या नॉट फेमिलियर में डाल देंगे। अगर आपने जर्नल प्रोफाइल लिया है एचआर की या किसी और की, क्योंकि एचआर चैट जीपीटी यूज कर सकते हैं बट दे कैन नॉट यूज एआई एजेंट्स। ओके, आई करंटली यूज अदर टूल्स एट वर्क अदर देन जनरेटिव एआई एजेंट्स, इसके लिए भी आप प्रोफाइल के ही अकॉर्डिंग करेंगे। और फिर यहाँ पे एक ये ह्यूमन वेरिफिकेशन का है, प्लीज सेलेक्ट आवरली फॉर दिस स्टेटमेंट, टर्मिनेट इफ क्यू 8 R4 C1, दैट मीन्स अगर क्वेश्चन 8 का आपने R4 ओकेजनली सेलेक्ट कर दिया तो ये टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा। आपको यहाँ पे आवरली ही सेलेक्ट करना है, इट्स अ ह्यूमन वेरिफिकेशन। ओके, देन अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट होल्ड्स यू बैक फ्रॉम यूजिंग एआई? अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके काम में आपको कुछ एआई करने से रोक रहा है, तो ऊपर ही जितने रेड में स्टेटमेंट है ये आपको सेलेक्ट नहीं करने हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन, वरना टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा। तो इसमें आप या तो ले सकते हो माय कंपनी पॉलिसी फॉरबिड द यूज ऑफ एआई, और इट विल मीन आई स्पीक टू और इंटेंट लेस विद अदर पीपल एट वर्क। आप ये थोड़े जो न्यूट्रल आंसर्स हैं ये ले सकते हैं, बट ये मत सेलेक्ट करिएगा देयर इज नो गाइडेंस ऑन हाउ टू यूज इट प्रॉपर, ये भी आप हाँ ट्राई कर सकते हो। आप ये मत करिएगा आई फॉरगॉट टू यूज इट, ये आपको नहीं आएगा अगर आपने पिछले क्वेश्चन में डोंट शो वन और टू लिया हुआ है, क्योंकि अगर आपने वन और टू लिया है दैट मीन्स आप करंटली एआई यूज करते हैं, आप एआई एजेंट से भी करें फॉलो कर वो फैमिलियर है, तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको शो नहीं होगा अगर आपने ये इसमें डाले हुए हैं 5-6 के अंदर। और इसी तरीके से हैं एक सेक्शन इसके अंदर शायद और होगा, इसका डिटेल रिकॉर्डिंग आपको मिल जाए। हाँ, ये थर्ड सेक्शन है एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी एंड वर्किंग प्रैक्टिसेस, ये भी सेक्शन आपको जिसके प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से आप काम कर रहे हो उसके ध्यान में रख के भरना है। ओके, इंटेंट मोबिलिटी एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट एक सेक्शन और है इसके अंदर, टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट का सेक्शन भी है। ओके, तो इसकी कंप्लीट रिकॉर्डिंग आपको अभी शेयर कर दी जाएगी ग्रुप में, आप इसको एक बार रीड थ्रू भी कर लेना।
गो थ्रू करेंगे वो 1-2 बार तो उन्हें कुछ आइडिया हो जाएगा।
और अभी इनिशियली आपके एक दो टर्मिनेट भी होंगे, कोटा फुल भी जाएगा, तो उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट मेक श्योर कि आप अभी जितनी गलती करना चाहते हैं अभी गलती कर लें आजकल के अंदर। जब आप इसको एक्यूरेसी आपकी आ जाए, स्पीड आपकी बन जाए, तब आप मैनेज करना कि आपके सारे सक्सेसफुल में जाए। दूसरी चीज़, अभी हमारे पास इसके अंदर आपने शुरुआत में देखा होगा कि बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस आई थी, हमने सिर्फ इंग्लिश ली है। वो इसलिए क्योंकि अभी अदर लैंग्वेजेस के लिए अलग टीम कर रही है, हमें उसकी परमिशन नहीं है। 1-2 दिन के अंदर उसकी परमिशन आ जाएगी, तब आपको अलाउ कर दिया जाएगा कि अदर लैंग्वेजेस को पे काम करने के लिए। अभी आप इंग्लिश ही करेंगे। इंग्लिश में 6 कंट्रीज़ हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूएस, यूके, कनाडा, आयरलैंड, ताइवान, सिंगापुर, इंडिया। 6-7 जितने भी हैं इतनी है। बाकी किसी का कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आप पूछ सकते हैं।
एनीवन कोई क्वेश्चन है आपके माइंड में?
Sir, like, do I have to select only Indian server or like can I
No,
select
you can
Australia?
select anyone.
I,
But
sir, like you
remember,
selected
if you
Australia server.
select Indian server, then you only follow the country of India in the given survey. Okay.
Okay,
You cannot do just like I have done the Australia and US. It will not get selected by the client eventually. That's what I'm
okay.
saying. So if
Sir,
you
like I today I will select Australia and tomorrow I will select US. Is it
okay, yeah, that's your you are completely free to do with this.
okay?
Means as same IP mean one proxy, one country.
Yeah,
Okay, like
it,
do I have to mention it in the Excel sheet
huh.
if I do any changes means?
The process is you will start your uh, virtual browser from Go login. You will verify it have a unique IP. How? You will copy its IP, paste in your sheet, and search is it taken by someone else or not. If it shows zero result other than yours, then you can paste in your name and you are allowed to go with this IP. Open the browser, clear the history first, re-verify the IP with the website, any website you can do, and now you can paste the URL of platform plus 4-digit serial numbering code with the any digit. For example, you have taken 1200 for this particular survey. Then if you do again, you will take 1201, then 1202, then 1203, and also in the end, uh, please write few English characters and press enter. Your survey will be open without any problems. Okay. If you miss any step, you will encounter with any kind of errors. Survey will be failed, web page will not be loaded, Chrome profile will not work function correctly, and miscellaneous kind of errors. And how to do survey? You will just follow the quota limits, because if you go other than this route, you will encounter a quota full, because you are allowed for only two values to be selected if quota full is in your selection range. Okay.
Sir, like do I have to like I will get paid for only successfully completed surveys or
Yeah,
like
because termination doesn't count and quota full is already done by someone else. It doesn't matter for client either way.
Like when will I get paid, sir? Like weekly or
No,
monthly?
payment cycle is 45 days.
Okay, like
Because it's a
direct bank.
bulk project. Bulk projects time take करते हैं payments के लिए.
You will do direct bank transfer, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyone have any questions? Okay, so we are wrapping it up. We will share the recording and guidelines and answer sheets. We will go through it and until we will give your IDs. Okay. एंड शुभम नाम नोट कर लेना सबके जो अभी मीटिंग में है. बाकी
Sure.
और बाकी सब चले गए हैं जो. ओके, सी यू, बाय.
Sir, my name
Yeah.
is showing crazy games. Like, can you say my name as Sanchit?
ओके ओके
ग्रुप में एक मैसेज डाल देना, वहाँ हाई कर देंगे सारे, ठीक है, वहाँ से ज्वाइन करना.
Okay.
ओके ओके
ओके बाय. यार निकल रहा है.